Hi friends, we are so happy that you are today with us, and this is a new video where we will talk about all of the possible options to disable location on Snapchat. Let's go to the watching. So the first option to do this is in the Snapchat app, and the second one is in the settings. Let's start with the Snapchat. Start. So guys, as you can check, we have the special option map, where we can check our location and the location of other users, where we need to go to the settings. And guys, I need to say that the Snapchat application won't allow us to disable location at all. We can only block this option for the selected person or allow our friends only to check our location. So let's do it here, and after I will show you how to definitely at all disable our location in the settings. So guys, let's tap on this toggle to disable location. For example, only our friends will see it. I can also choose and use the second option to block our location mode for the selected people to see, to check. For example, I want to hide it from Paulina, and for example for Patricia. Let's tap on the save, and right now everyone can check my location beside the selected people. But I can also use the first option, just only my friends can see it. Okay, so it was the first method to disable location. Let's check it. So right now only my friends can see my current geolocation, and to disable, as I said before, location at all on the Snapchat, we need to go to the settings. Swipe down if it's an iPhone. If you have an Android, you just need to go to the apps and choose the permissions modes in the settings also. But I will show you all of the needful settings on the iPhone. So let's swipe the whole list of apps and other tricks and features to find the Snapchat here. And when we are here, we just need to go to the location section and tap on the never. From now on, the location on your device will be hidden for the Snapchat, and no one can see this data on your account. Also, as I said before, you have the same absolutely settings on the Android. If you are interested in how to do it on Android, please send some comments below and we will record this video for you. But if you have an iPhone, you can see how to do it. You can also use another option like ask every time or when I want to share this location with others, with others. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we really try to make these videos very useful and helpful. I hope it was. So goodbye. Bye bye.